Geometric sequence. A geometric sequence is a sequence of numbers that follows a pattern where the next term is found by multiplying by a constant called the common ratio r. It is also known as a geometric progression. A progression is a sequence of numbers where the terms follow a specific pattern. There are three types of progressions: arithmetic, geometric, and harmonic sequence. How to calculate the common ratio? The common ratio of a geometric sequence, denoted by r, is obtained by dividing a term by its preceding term. Given sequence 3, 12, 48, 192. Let's find out their common ratio. 192 divided by 48 equals 4. 48 divided by 12 equals 4. 12 divided by 3 equals 4. So their common ratio is 4. How to find the next term? We find the next number in the sequence by multiplying a constant term. The constant term here is the common ratio r equals 4. Let's multiply the numbers. 3 times 4 equals 12. 12 times 4 equals 48. 48 times 4 equals 192. 192 times 4 equals 768. We can also use a formula in finding the next number in a geometric sequence. And this is the formula. A sub n equals a sub 1 times r raised to the power of n minus 1, where a sub 1 is the first term, a sub n is the nth term, n is the number of terms, and r is the common ratio. Same example, but this time we're going to use a formula. And this is the formula. So this is a sub 1, a sub 2, a sub 3, a sub 4, and a sub 5. So what are the given? A sub 1 is 3. Number of terms is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Common ratio R is 4. 12 divided by 3 is 4. The missing term is a sub 5 or the fifth term. So to solve for the fifth term, plug in these values in this formula. So we have a sub 5 equals a sub 1 is 3, r is 4, n is 5. Perform first the exponent. 5 minus 1 is 4. Then 4 to the fourth power is equal to 256. Then multiply it by 3. A sub 5 is equal to 768. So the answer is 768. Practice exercises. Number 1. This is the sequence. First, take the ratio. 64 divided by 32 equals 2. So their common ratio is 2. To get the value of this blank, 32 divided by 2 equals 16. 16 divided by 2 equals 8. Or you may use a formula. A sub n equals a sub 1 times r raised to the power of n minus 1. The last term is given, which is 128. A sub 1 is missing. Common ratio r is 2. Number of terms is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's plug in. So we have 128 equals a sub 1 times 2 raised to the power of 5 minus 1. Perform first the exponent. 5 minus 1 equals 4. So 2 to the 4th is equal to 16. Then divide both sides by 16. So we have a sub 1 is equal to 8. To find the next number, from left to right, multiply 8 by the common ratio r equals 2. 8 times 2 is equal to 16. Number 2. So this is the sequence. First, take the ratio. 40 divided by 20 equals 2. So their common ratio is 2. To find the next number, multiply the numbers by the common ratio of 2. From left to right, 5 times 2 equals 10. 10 times 2, 20 times 2, 40 times 2, 80 times 2, 160. Number 3. So this is the sequence. First, take the ratio r. 60 divided by 120 equals 0.5. To get the next number from left to right, so we have 30 times 0.5 equals 15. 15 times 0.5 equals 7.5. 7.5 times 0.5 equals 3.75. Number 4. So this is the given sequence. So pag ganito ang itsura, gagamitan natin siya ng formula na a sub n equals a sub 1 times r raised to the power of n minus 1. So given ang first and last term at ang number of terms na 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's plug in the values in the formula. So a sub n is 160, a sub 1 is 5, r is unknown, number of terms is 6. So we have 160 equals 5, r raised to the 6 minus 1. Then perform first this exponent. 6 minus 1 equals 5. And then divide both sides by 5. So we get 32 equals r to the 5th power. So 5th root of 32 is 2. So their common ratio r is equal to 2. To get the next number, from left to right, multiply 5 by the common ratio r 2. 5 times 2, 10 times 2, 20 times 2, 40 times 2, 80 times 2 is 160. Number 5. So this is the given sequence. Same in number 4, ganun din ang procedure. Gagamit tayo ng formula. First and last term ay given and the number of terms which is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's plug in the values. A sub n or the last term is 768. A sub 1 is 3. R is unknown. Number of terms is 5. So we have 768 equals 3. R to the power of 5 minus 1 power. Perform first the exponent. 5 minus 1 equals 4. And then divide both sides by 3. So we have 256 is equal to r to the fourth. And fourth root of 256 is 4. So their common ratio is 4. To get the next number, multiply 3 by the common ratio r equals 4. From left to right, 3 times 4 is 12 times 4 is 48 times 4 is 192 times 4 is equal to 768.